We sometimes work late into the night, making us lazy to shut down our computers, and especially those who are working in an office will want to get home quickly. For example, I often work late into the night to complete the final edit of my video. After putting my video to render, I normally schedule an automatic shutdown task for my Windows computer. That way, I don't have to sit in front of the computer and wait for it to complete the rendering process and then manually shut it down. To make this easy, in this tutorial, I'll show you 4 quick ways to schedule automatic shutdown for Windows 11. Let's begin. If you rarely use automatic shutdown, then this method will be more useful to you. First step will be to open command prompt using admin rights. Then type in this command. 1800 over here indicates the number of seconds for the computer to shut down, which is 30 minutes. You can replace this as per your requirement. Next, press enter on your keyboard to execute the program. Immediately, you'll get a prompt stating the same. In case you want to reverse your decision or stop this command from happening, type in this command. Also, if you wish to regularly use this feature, then you'll have to repeat the same steps every time. The same commands can be repeated in PowerShell or run dialog to execute the program. Well, if you'd like to know a better method that doesn't require you to do this every time, then check out the next one. Another option can be to use the Task Scheduler app. With the help of this, you can schedule various tasks including automatic shutdown for Windows that can occur more than once. In your Start menu, search for Task Scheduler app and open it. On the right hand side, select Create Basic Task, give it a name and some description for reference. Next, select when you want the task to activate, such as the date, day and time. On the next page, make sure Start a Program is selected. Now under Program Script, type shutdown.exe and in the argument section, add this. Final step will be to review your instructions and click on Finish. When your computer is about to be shut down, you'll receive a prompt of it in advance so that you can close all your apps and files. If you feel the need to edit the automatic shutdown task within Task Scheduler program, on the left side under the Task Scheduler library, select your task. In the bottom right corner, you'll see the Properties option where you can edit the time and date or also delete the task from here. This next method is simple and super quick as compared to the previous two. On your desktop, right-click anywhere on the screen, go to New and select Shortcut. Under Location of the item, type the same command that we used in the first method, that is shutdown-s-t and your seconds. Select Next and give a name for this shortcut that will help you to pinpoint when used later. Click on Finish and it will create a new shortcut of the command line. Now, whenever you want to use the automatic shutdown feature, like any other program, you only have to double click on this shortcut. If you don't like the methods that I showed you earlier, then you can always use a third-party software. This is an optional method and you may give it a try. For this, I recommend you to try IOBIT's Advanced System Care, which has an auto shutdown feature. It does the exact same thing as the task scheduler, but it's much more easier to set up an automatic shutdown task. I'll provide the link to it in the description. That's it. I hope you'll now be able to schedule an automatic shutdown easily. Thanks for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about software and apps, be sure to check out my channel. Thanks once again, and I'll see you next week.